Hey, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. I was just going through my YouTube channel and this inspired a very important video to all that visit quantlabs.net, the meetups, the YouTube, even the LinkedIn and Facebook, Twitter, all that. Amazing group of people to help me get to where I'm at. I need to say a big thank you to everybody that visits. I also need to say a very big thank you to all the people that are part of my membership at quantlabs.net. Without them, I wouldn't be as far as I am. They help keep the lights on around here. I'm not like making oodles of money driving Ferraris and flying in private jets. Would be nice, but no, maybe we'll get there. Anyways, big shout out and a big thank you to everybody that is part of the quantlabs.net premium membership. Hoping to deliver something big and special the next few weeks, which I'm hoping to do. But that's another video and whatever. But without these people, I wouldn't be as far. But nonetheless, even if you're not a member, I do need to just let people know everything about the YouTube channel where we're at. You can tell we have 156,000 views or 155,000. We got now 566 subscribers. Doesn't sound like a lot, but for a passive audience, we'll call it, to me those are big numbers, and I value each and every person that's part of that. Also, under my discussions here, I just wanted to let people know about some of the comments I've been getting a year ago. Just brilliant. Sometimes wonder how you get to manage these all fabulous MATLAB tutorials to which I have recently started working with. We all know about MATLAB and now Simulink and everything else. Also. This is one amazing dude. He's like a professor who just knows what you want and who does not feed garbage that other professors and professionals do. And I like the quotes. That makes me feel really good. I'm working only now with best of breed stuff, be it MATLAB for research and now Deltix for the trading platform, and basically using that for the strategies and using the Simulink and the MATLAB to generate co-generated C, which will then get imported into Deltix, and that's where we're at. Now, I do realize a lot of people cannot really afford Deltix or cannot afford MATLAB. We got you covered. We are going to recommend you to go with something like a TradeLink. We've got lots of tutorials around that. A great community of people. Yeah, there's quite a number of whiners in there, but overall I think what Josh is doing with TradeLink is special. A lot of effort is put into something that's free, and people are not really appreciating what's being done with that platform. It's very powerful. A lot's coming out of that, and I understand where he's going with his glean. I understand the revenue component. We all got to eat. That's why I have my membership, so I respect that as a business. A lot of people don't get that, and that's their issue, not mine or not whoever else that's involved in these type of things. Alright, so we got the YouTube stuff covered, and we also got loads of meetups that I run, or not a load, but two. What I've got here is I've got our MATLAB users on meetup.com as well as the Quant Finance users group. Here you can tell we have over 431 members on the Quant Finance, and the researching traders, we'll call them, is 166. Both are growing. You get the occasional people that leave, but generally it's netting in growth. But here's some of the comments. Very interesting and challenging. It's from one of my members, from this person. It's natural talent for bringing people together. Appreciate that. Ivan, Andrew, he's a big follower here, instructive. All kinds of stuff. I'm getting to know it better. Great, very much worth being a member. Doing a good job of spreading the word of knowledge. Very helpful. Keep doing. Blah 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 blah. Here's a good guy, Errol, extremely educational group for anyone interested in learning about quantitative finance and profitable trading. Don't need to be an expert to join. Some are here to teach and others are here to learn. We're all here to meet new people and share the same interest about quant finance as we do. Very educational, and this is a true one. I find it interesting to push out boundaries of my knowledge and understanding. Brian is a very passionate and knowledgeable person as he brings others with good knowledge into the discussions. Now, one thing I will stress is pushing the boundaries of his knowledge and understanding. That's what we do. That's what programming is about. Yeah, it's just learn the big picture and theory. Now I'm getting the practical insights. The Meetup group is very useful in this sense. Thank you for this. Great group of people. Look forward for more dinners from Brian. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Yeah, so I just thought I'd put all that out there. Now, that's all of my members, paying members included, but there's two now recent additions that I have to put a special thank you out to. Deltix, thank you very much for enabling myself to learn your amazing trading platform. I think it's going to really change how people trade and the effects of how they trade, and understanding the importance of all the components that are part of Deltix. Not saying because you use Deltix you're going to be an instant millionaire. It's all based around your strategies that you build, but Deltix does enable you to build not better strategies, but make life easier in strategy development. It's not an easy process. It is challenging. So everybody at Deltix that I've encountered have been great, very helpful, and have shown me that they want to see me succeed. As a result, they succeed, and big props out goes to them. The other group that needs to be hand-picked out of all this is also MATLAB. We had a demo from Stuart Cazzola, who put on an amazing meetup on the latest features of MATLAB. I think a lot of people were blown away by it. Special props to everybody at Mathworks for their support in making powerful software as they do. Also, another mention is in here is Microsoft. They've been an important supporter, I have to say, especially the Microsoft Store at Yorkdale Mall. Lately, a lot of people have been kind of, I hate to say, bashing Microsoft for their lack of innovation. I kind of beg to differ on that. You know, they're putting out really good software. I'm starting to get Windows 8. It took me a while. I'm starting to see the story behind Windows 8, and especially Windows Server 2012 and the .NET. I'm a convert. I can't lie. I do like open source. I'm not saying that R and Python and all them are not important. They are, but there's always preferences. And props go out to the people at the Microsoft Store for all their support, enabling me to have a few meetups there. Who else? We got the Python community, the R community. Lots of people. I'm sure there's a bunch of. I hope I have not forgotten, but knowing my little 2-minute memory and how it works. Let's see, and that's about it. So thanks a lot for visiting. One last note to all you people that like to whine, bitch, complain about on the YouTube channel. That's great. I love the interaction. If somebody who does that is great, but can back it up with some kind of user engagement instead of just spewing their mouth without backing up anything. Unfortunately, they don't bring any value, so we just kind of laugh at people like that. But keep it up. And that's about it. Have a good day, have a good night, and thanks. And hopefully we'll be bringing up some new exciting stuff for you all in the near future.